Aptera Motors has been a name that's been floating around the electric vehicle (EV) scene for quite some time now. Promising an ultra-efficient, solar-powered electric vehicle, the company has generated significant interest and enthusiasm among EV enthusiasts and sustainability advocates. However, for many, it feels like we've been waiting for Aptera's first production vehicle, the Aptera Delta, forever. With delays and uncertainty, the question on many minds is, when will we finally see a physical Delta on the roads? In this video, we'll explore the status of Aptera's production plans and attempt to shed some light on the timeline for the physical Delta. Leaving us a like proves you like what we do here. Then be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to be notified of any recent video. Thank you. The Aptera hype and high expectations. Aptera Motors burst onto the EV scene with a promise of revolutionizing the way we think about transportation. Their vision included an ultra-efficient, solar-powered, three-wheeled electric vehicle that was not only incredibly sleek and futuristic, but also boasted an impressive range. With claims of 1,000 miles on a single charge, Aptera garnered a cult-like following of supporters who were eager to embrace the future of sustainable mobility. The initial excitement was further fueled by the company's crowdfunding campaign, which raised over $17 million, demonstrating the strong interest and financial backing behind Aptera's vision. However, as time went on, some backers and EV enthusiasts began to grow impatient as delays in production and deliveries started to mount. Aptera's journey has not been without its fair share of challenges. The company initially aimed to deliver its vehicles by 2020, but as the years rolled on, that target seemed increasingly unrealistic. Delays have been attributed to a variety of factors, including the complexity of designing and engineering the unique three-wheeled vehicle, securing funding, and navigating the ever-evolving regulatory landscape for EVs. The pandemic didn't help either. The global supply chain disruptions and factory shutdowns caused by COVID-19 added further complications to Aptera's production timeline. Like many other automakers, these setbacks have left many backers and potential buyers feeling frustrated and skeptical about whether Aptera can actually deliver on its promises. Despite the delays and setbacks, Aptera has made efforts to keep its supporters engaged and hopeful. In January 2023, the company released production intent design imagery to the public. These images provided a more detailed look at what the Aptera Delta might look like when it finally rolls off the assembly line. The release of these images was undoubtedly a positive step, as it showed that Aptera was making progress toward bringing its vision to life. The images depicted a sleek, aerodynamic vehicle that stayed true to the company's original design concepts. However, they were still just images, leaving many to wonder when they would see a physical Delta on the road. In March 2023, Aptera announced an extension of its accelerator program, which aimed to reward early backers and customers with priority delivery. While this was undoubtedly good news for those who had invested in the company's vision, it also raised questions about the timeline for production. The program extension was accompanied by a statement from Aptera, saying, "As we continue to work diligently to scale our production capacity, we will provide more clarity on delivery dates and timelines in the near future." This statement left room for interpretation and didn't provide a concrete answer to the burning question: when will we finally see a physical Delta? A glimmer of hope came in the form of a $21 million grant awarded to Aptera in early 2023. The grant, funded by the California Energy Commission, was intended to support the production of Aptera's electric vehicles. This grant was a significant step forward for the company, as it provided a much-needed injection of funds to help bring the Delta to life. With this grant in hand, Aptera seemed poised to accelerate its production efforts. However, the company was still relatively tight-lipped about when we might expect to see the first physical Deltas on the road, the possibility and possible timeframe. So when can we realistically expect to see a physical Aptera Delta? While we can't provide a specific date, we can speculate based on the information available and the challenges that Aptera faces. 1. Production scaling. One of the most significant challenges for any startup automaker is scaling production. Building a few prototypes is one thing, but mass-producing vehicles at a consistent quality level is an entirely different challenge. The extension of the accelerator program and the $21 million grant indicate that Aptera is actively working on this aspect of its business. 2. Regulatory approval. Bringing a new vehicle to market requires navigating complex regulatory processes. Aptera will need to meet safety and emissions standards to sell its vehicles in the United States and other markets. This process can be time-consuming, but it's a necessary step to ensure the vehicles meet all legal requirements. 3. Supply chain challenges. The global supply chain has been under strain for several years, and this has affected many industries, including automotive. Securing the necessary components and materials for production can be a significant hurdle. Aptera will need to manage these challenges effectively to avoid further delays. 4. Transparency and communication. Aptera's ability to manage expectations and communicate effectively with its backers and potential customers will play a crucial role in maintaining trust and enthusiasm. The company should provide regular updates and transparent timelines to keep its supporters engaged. Given these factors, it's possible that we might see the first physical Aptera Deltas on the road within the next couple of years. A realistic timeframe could be 2024 or beyond, depending on how well the company manages these challenges and progresses with its production plans. The anticipation surrounding Aptera's first production vehicle, the Delta, has been met with a fair share of excitement and frustration. While the company's initial promises of a solar-powered, ultra-efficient EV with a 1,000-mile range captured the imagination of many, delays and setbacks have left some supporters feeling disillusioned. Aptera has taken steps to address these concerns, including releasing production intent design imagery and extending its accelerator program. The recent $21 million grant from the California Energy Commission is also a positive development, providing the company with the funds needed to scale production. While we cannot provide a definitive answer to when we will see a physical Delta on the roads, it's clear that Aptera is actively working to turn its vision into a reality. With continued effort and effective management of challenges like production scaling, regulatory approval, and supply chain issues, it's possible that we could see the first Aptera Deltas in the coming years, possibly by 2024 or later. In the world of electric vehicles, where innovation and competition are driving rapid advancements, Aptera's success in delivering its unique vision could have a significant impact on the industry. As supporters and enthusiasts, we can only hope that Aptera's journey leads to the realization of a groundbreaking and sustainable mode of transportation. And now let's hear from you in the comments section. If you enjoyed today's content, then leave us a like, subscribe, and ensure the bell notification is on to be notified of our recent content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.